Tool cleaner brush for mobile phone charging port. Applicable to for Apple Series USB dust plug. This product is shower mini cleaning brush, specially used for crevice cleaning, efficient deep cleaning. Can go deep into gaps and holes to remove blockages. Nylon bristles can effectively clean dirt from holes in the nozzle without damaging the surface. Material polypropylene, nylon, plastic. Light and compact, suitable for most headphones, mobile phones, mosquito lamp, humidifier, keyboard, etc. Environmental protection material, does not damage the headset and mobile phone charging port parts. Lastly, remember to clean your charging port regularly to keep it in good shape.